Hi, a big hello from Tashi and Nazria, and hope you're all doing well. I know we're all in such a difficult situation because of COVID, and we hope that this gets over in some time and somehow we are able to manage our lives. Hope you're all safe, you're all healthy, and lots of good wishes to you all. Yeah. So why am I getting in touch with you is that we want that we want a request. We want to request you that you send us a film, a video, because we intend to do a film on which will be advocacy material for stress management and burnout prevention. So you were all a part of the needs assessment workshop, and also we did take out a report. Now we thought that we'll reach out to you so that we can get some footage on some of your experiences. So we really hope that you will be able to send us the video. We really look forward because it's going to be very valuable for us to document it, and we plan that we bring it out in a series, like a video series, and probably have it in a YouTube channel. Yeah. So what is it that we want you from the video that you would send us is we have structured a few questions. Yeah, there are about some 8 questions. You can decide to answer all of them, or you could decide to just answer 1 or 2, whichever that you are comfortable. Yeah, so of course we'll be sending you in a mail all the details about the questions, but we thought that this video will also clarify a few things. Few things to keep in mind is that you say your name, your affiliation if any, and the name that you want to identify yourself with, the affiliation any, and your work, the place, and also a statement saying that you consent for Tashi and Nazria to use the video. So this will all come to you in the mail anyway. So regarding the questions that we want you all to answer, I'll read out these questions. And first is, what is stress, and has your understanding of stress changed in the last 2 years? What is burnout? And then what are the particular stressors that you and your clients and your communities are facing during COVID-19? So supposing, say, you're working with a community, or you are a counselor working, you have your clients, if you can mention particularly that would be that is being faced by during this situation in COVID. And then how did you practice self-care at this time, and how do you, of course, since it's a continuing situation, how do you practice self-care during this time? Did any of the self-care techniques we tried during the workshop support you in your efforts for your self-care? So we did talk about some of the techniques in the workshop. So did you apply it in this current situation? Did anything work? We want to know about it. So were you or your organization able to reach out to your clients or the community during this period? If then, how did you reach out? What have been your efforts, and otherwise what have been your challenges? What is your advice to yourself when you feel stress? And have you been recently able to support or advise anyone that you know on stress management or self-care? So you can talk about your experiences of how you have been able to help somebody, give some advice or support. In that case, we request that you maintain a certain confidentiality and do not use the specific names or identity of the person that you are mentioning. So these are some of the questions. You will get a return one on these. So you can choose one or as much as you want. So while you are answering the questions, please leave a gap, like a gap while you are taking the filming of yourself. Yeah, so we want that you take a video and then have a gap and then answer the next question. so that we are able to edit it, because ultimately we'll be categorizing them based on the responses that you all are giving, and then put them into various series. So and please also ensure that none of these questions are answered in more than 2 minutes. So try to limit your video to 2 minutes for each question. And please take the video from your phone camera. Please don't use any app or something. We want that it is more clear. So in order to see, there are a few tips that I'll also tell in terms of technical guidance of how to film the video. One is the camera should be held horizontally like this and not vertically. Yeah, so please hold it horizontally, and please don't hold it on your hand. Like, keep it at a place so that it is not shaky, and it's stable at a place. And then the clothes that you will be wearing, see to it that they don't have too many designs and they're not striped and very busy otherwise. And also pay attention to your background, whether it's got a movement or it's too busy or things like that. Source of light should come from behind the device. Yeah, so make sure that there is a light source behind the device that you're shooting. Check for the audio. You can use a earphone if you think that the audio is not clear. But if you are able to find a place which is fairly quiet, away from noise and disturbance, you could use without the earphone also. And you could always test, of course, do a trial and then test whether it's sounding good. Regarding the frame, please make sure that you have a headspace, and then of course some space on your sides also. And don't take too much of a close-up shot. Now keep it in the midpoint, and we don't want you to take very much far away, because then there might be difficulty in the audio. That is it. I'm sure you will know most of the tips regarding this, but we thought that it's good to run through these things. So once you have taken the video and you filmed on these questions, you could send it to us. You can mail us in the Wellbeing, from which we will be also sending all the mails, or you could also send it to us in our WhatsApp. So we'll be giving all the details of mine, Ramya, and Pavel's WhatsApp number, in which you can send. And if you have any queries regarding anything else, please feel free to contact us. And we really hope that you will send us the videos, and hope to see them, because it's going to be very valuable during this time, and it will act as a very good advocacy material for us also. Yeah, so regarding the date, we want that you all send it to us by July end, which is few days from now. I'm sure it won't take much time for you. So just go through the questions, feel whatever that you feel comfortable, please send the answers for those. Hope to see you in the video form very soon. Yeah, and take care. Good luck to you all, and sending you lots of love and hug to you all. Yeah, be safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.